Hi, today we're going to learn how to create a Gmail account. Let's start by typing gmail.com and press enter. And we're on our way. And just like that, the Gmail homepage loads up, ready for us to create a new account. Let's move on to starting the account creation process. You've successfully navigated to the Gmail homepage and are ready to begin. Now let's walk through initiating the account creation process by clicking the Create Account button. To get started with our new Gmail account, we simply click Create an Account right here. Let's select the type of account we want to create. For this walkthrough, we'll select For My Personal Use, perfect for setting up your own private email account. With our account type selected, let's move on to entering our personal information. You've now initiated the account creation process and selected your account type. Let's fill in your personal details, starting with your name and basic information. Now that the account creation page is loaded, let's start by clicking into the first name field. We simply type in our first name here. Next, we move over to the last name field, which is optional but helps personalize your account. And we enter our last name to complete our profile identity. With our name entered, we click Next to continue with the setup. Let's move on to selecting our birthday and gender. We're on the basic information page, where we'll enter our birthday details starting with the month. Let's select February from the drop-down. Next, we'll move to the day field. We'll enter the 11th as our birth date. Let's click on the year field. We'll type in 1985 to complete our birthday information. Google also asks for gender, so let's open that drop-down. We'll select male from the available options. With our basic information complete, we click Next to continue setting up our account. Let's move on to choosing our Gmail address. Your personal information has been saved to your new account profile. Now we'll set up your login credentials by choosing a unique Gmail address and creating a secure password. Gmail offers us some suggested email addresses based on our name. Let's select this clean professional option that's available. With our unique address chosen, we simply click Next to lock it in. Let's secure our new account with a strong password. It's time to create a strong password to keep our account secure. We enter a password that's unique and memorable, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum protection. Next, we'll confirm our password to ensure there are no typos. Simply re-enter the same password to verify it matches perfectly. With our secure password set, we click Next to continue. Excellent. Now let's add some verification options to protect our new account. That covers how to choose your Gmail address and create a secure password. Now let's move on to verifying your account and setting up recovery options. Google now presents us with a QR code to verify our identity quickly and securely. Once we scan the code with our mobile device, the system processes the verification seamlessly. With verification complete, let's move on to adding a recovery email for extra account protection. Let's add a recovery email, which is essential for regaining access to your account if you ever get locked out. Simply enter an existing email address you have access to. This becomes your backup lifeline for account recovery. With our recovery email in place, we click Next to continue. Excellent. Now let's review our account details and finalize the setup. Your account is now verified and has a recovery email in place for added protection. Next, we'll review all your account details and accept Google's terms of service to complete the setup. Here we can quickly review all our account information at a glance. And once everything looks good, we simply move forward. With our details confirmed, let's proceed to accept the terms and finalize our new account. Here we have Google's Privacy and Terms page, which outlines how your data will be handled. Let's scroll through to review the key points of the agreement. Once you're comfortable with the terms, simply click I agree to proceed. And just like that, your new Gmail account is ready and your inbox is loading. Let's add some important security information to keep your account protected. That completes the review of your account details and acceptance of Google's terms of service. Now let's strengthen your account by adding essential security information in the settings. To add an extra layer of security, let's click on our profile icon in the top right corner. From here, we can quickly access the option to add a recovery phone for account protection. Let's verify our identity and complete the security setup. Google needs to confirm it's really us, so let's click on the password field. We simply enter our password to verify our identity. This keeps our account secure. And we click Next to proceed with the verification. With our identity confirmed, let's add that recovery phone number. Here on the Recovery Options page, we can easily add a phone number for extra security by clicking the Enter Number field. Simply type in your recovery phone number. This ensures you can always regain access to your account if needed. With the number entered, we hit Save to lock in this important security feature. Let's navigate back to the main Google account home to see everything in place. And there we have it. Your Google account is now fully set up and secured with recovery options in place. Congratulations! Your new Gmail account is ready to use with all the essential security measures configured. And that's it for adding your security info. Now you've got a fully set up Gmail account that's protected and ready to go. Pretty simple, right? You're all set to start sending emails.